Look at her.
Oh, she's having a blast.
Look at her. This is a shower. Tell me that's not a shower. Look at her.
What do you think, Carmen?
You're in the rain. Carmen's in the
She
rain.
ran out there. Grandpa's giving up his phone.
That's love right there. Is taking your grandbaby out in the rain. Yay! And that's what the rain feels like. Yeah. It's a giant sprinkler from the sky.
Yeah, that is really pouring off the roof, isn't
Look
it?
at
Yes.
that. Look at that. What's happening?
Yeah, it doesn't
Out of
rain.
it.
Yes, she got out of it.
Yeah, she gets out and he goes back in. She's thinking about it.
She's looking at the big splash now.
The waterfall.
You don't want to get under that. That'll probably hurt.
Are you ready?
Turn the air off and get a towel when she comes. Yeah, now it's dry.
It's getting cold now when
Now
you're
it's
not
dry.
in it. Just gonna watch it for a little bit.
What you think?
That's pretty cool, Grandpa. That's pretty cool.
Down.
That was so cute. She was like, wow.
Here she
Oh,
goes
she's
again.
ready for round number 2. Yeah. Oh, look what you can do. You can make it a little
This is so
grip.
fun. But you're not going to stand out
Poor
in
Grandpa's out in the middle and she's on the side. What's that? I hear thunder. Do you hear the thunder? Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, that's happy. Wow. Yeah. This is the rain. The rain's coming down.
Look how wetter than you are.
She's talking. She is talking. She was bouncing up and down. She was bouncing up and down and then talking. So, this is her first time playing in the rain. Yeah! Look at the bounce, bounce. Woo! Here she goes, here she goes. Wow!
She didn't even notice this.
Oh my! Bounce, bounce. So happy, so happy.
You getting cold?
Ooh!
You getting cold?
It is cold in the rain.
Come on, let's go back here.
You ready to come inside? She's shaking all over there.
Come on. Oh.
Set you in there.
Get the shirt off of you. Oh, I think you got a snap. Get the snap. Makes it come off easier. There, now Grandma can watch your chin. Yeah. Alright, you grab her up and take her, Grandma. Like Grandpa. You have to undress yourself, Grandpa. Look at that. We got a little wet girl.
I know. She wants back out.
Yeah.
I go. Close the door. She's gonna come right back here. There she goes.
I gotta go. I gotta go in there. That's fun stuff.
You're cold out there, darling.
Remember, that's your grandpa took you out there. Remember, he takes you to the fun stuff. Yeah.
She's shivering.
Yeah,
She's shivering, but she wants back out there.
Blue before I could get her in the house.
Yeah.
She would play out in the water till she was blue.
Watch your fingers. Watch.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Rain.
Bye, Rain.
We'll play again later.
What? Okay.
Yeah, she's trying to, isn't she?